Hi people from around the world, this is David, and on this video I will show you how to clean your suction control valve from diesel control engines. Three kinds of valve right here. This one is from a Ford Mazda BT50. This is for a diesel Bosch system, and this is from a Denso system. I think this is mounted on a Nissan YD25 diesel engine. I will use this equipment, which is a Semtech. It is made by the Argentinian people, and it works sending a pulse to the bulb and make it work through a blend, or you can use thinner also for the first stage of the cleaning. We can send a pulse of cleaning, and we can send the other pulse we can use is to if the bulb is stuck. This pulse is so big and it has a big amount of current that it will make the piston going forward and backward and make the works again. But for the first stage we're going to use thinner, and then we're going to use diesel. We will start with this one, and for instant then see if it's working or not. We're going to send a pulse from cleaning. So we're going to select this, which is in Spanish. It says cleaning, limpieza. I'm going to place over there, and then this is the second stage of the procediment. There's a beginning or start button here. We can listen to the actuator working at different amount of a pulsing. Okay, I'm going to stop the test. For sure this bulb is working. It's not there's no doubt about it, but is it working good? We don't know. So we're going to use a little bit an amount of thinner on this container, and then place the bulb again. We're going to place it on this container. It is special. It comes with the equipment. Full fill it right to the top. Okay, I think this is enough. Then we're going to place the bulb again into it. There's a little bit of spill. Maybe I used a little bit much of the recommended amount of thinner. Then I'm going to start the procediment. Okay, right now the bulb is working, doing the displacements of the piston. As you can hear, there's some variation on the pulse. Different variations will make easier for the piston to come and make the movement. So that is what makes possible the cleaning of the bulb. Okay, we're ready to take it out. We will see how dirty it was. Okay, as far as you can see, there's some sediments settled down. You can see it easily. There was a dirty that comes directly from the bulb. It comes out due to the pulse that the equipment is sending to the bulb. Let's see if we got a stock bulb right here. Let's see this one. I will send a pulse to see if it's working or not. This is working. Stop. We will see this one. This is the Denso. It's working also. Okay, I will stop this. Let's say this is not working, it's stuck. Okay, we're going to place the thinner again. I know this is dirty, but it's just for show. Okay, we're going to place this ball right here, and let's say it's stuck. So we want to make it work. So I will pause on this red button, and then says start. Okay, we can hear a pulse much slower but stronger. It is a simple pulse, but it's a pulse that comes with a big amount of current, a lot of amperes. It's coming through the coil, the internal coil of the bulb. Okay, 220 volts. This is the amount of voltage that you need to make this work. You can make it work with 110, but you will not have the full amount of current you need to make this work, or make it work properly. So that was the procediment we're making with this Semtech equipment. I highly recommend this equipment for making the cleaning or help a stock bulb to make it work again. Thank you everybody for watching our videos. If you like it or you find it useful, this information that we are giving to you, subscribe, please. God bless you.